Hello and welcome to a new episode from Zyxel Support Campus.
Today I show you the Zyxel Multy Plus, which is a Wi-Fi mesh system that can be mounted in different options. We take a look to the box and how we install it. In the box you find the device with a stand, a mounting base for the wall and ceiling, and also T-bar clips for the system ceiling. For wall or ceiling mounting on solid ground, you use the base plate. Mark the holes so you can find where you have to drill the holes. Take all precautions you need to drill the 6mm holes, then you insert the plugs and use the base plate. Fix it with the peaked screws into the plugs. Turn the multi-node clockwise to fix it on the base plate. At this point you need a power plug, and if it's the first multi in the chain, also the connection to the internet. For system ceiling mount you use the clips and clip them on the T-bars. Then you use the base plate with the even screws and fix it on the clips. Before you close the ceiling, make sure the cable is correctly guided through the plates. Also fix the device clockwise so that it's on the ceiling fixed. To position the device in the stand holder, move it to the connectors and then you can lead the cables from the backside through the holes to the device. This way you can position your device in the neighborhood of LAN devices, which can also get connected to this multi-node. We are ready to set up the device. For this you need to download the Zyxel Multy App from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Create a site and choose the model you want to install. Then you give it a name and your mobile phone starts installing this device for the first time. All steps you have to follow are easily shown in the screen of your mobile phone. Give it a few minutes to set up all the parameters. The node will possibly require to reboot for any updates. As soon as the first node is installed, you can set the parameters for SSID and Wi-Fi key. Also, you can follow a manual installation. If you use the Zyxel Multy app to install the Zyxel Multy Plus, you need to set the guest wireless separately later on the graphical user interface. Within the Zyxel Multy app you can give the SSID and password for the 2.4 GHz wireless and the 5 GHz wireless. If you want them separately, then tick the box. After a few minutes your wireless node is set up and you can continue adding new nodes to the network. We want to remind you to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our new episodes. Please note that we show the video here installing the Multy X system. You can also use the Multy Mini to extend the wireless of the Multy Plus or the Multy X. The Multy Mini is available separately on eShops and with our resellers. In the same way you continue adding more nodes to the network. The second node should be 15 to 20 meters distance from the multi, which is the basic setting, and then you follow the same steps like before. A speed test within the app shows you the speed of your wireless network. One Multy Plus node covers around 250 square meters of network. If you need more, just add another node or use the Multy Mini to extend your wireless. Within the graphical user interface, you can also enable a guest Wi-Fi network for your Multy Plus using different sign-up options. Guests and customers require free wireless in an event location or when they visit restaurants or cafes, so your reputation at your customer site will increase using the Multy Plus. Log into the primary Multy Plus and settings for admin network, employees and guests are available. You can choose different sign-up options for your guest network, for example a captive portal or a user agreement. Also, you can lead them to your company's website after successful sign-up. The graphical user interface basically has the same functions as the Multy app, but you can also set more different diagnostic settings or an extended speed test for your network. Here in the example, we have a 400 megabit fiber to the home connection, which is visible in the results for the first node from internet to the basic node. The connection between the other nodes is also shown in this speed test. The clients in your network, no matter if Wi-Fi or LAN cable bound, will have advantages of the high-speed network. From out the graphical user interface or the app, you can change any setting of your network for all nodes in the network at the same time. The system offers a native firewall for the protection of your network, and under maintenance you can choose the operating mode NAT or Bridge. The remote control of your network, you can also run a firmware update, check the protocols, change the topology of your network, and the opportunity to log into single devices in the network. Always leave the graphical user interface on the logout page so that it's protected. If you have a question about the Zyxel Multy Plus, do not hesitate to contact us on support.zyxel.eu. You can find more than 600 help desk articles in different languages and the contact to our support team.
We are done with our episode from Zyxel Support Campus. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and also subscribe in the channel. If you want to comment this video, please do so and also put your questions into it. You can also leave a message on support.zyxel.eu or you follow us on the Facebook channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.